first meeting of Joint Parliamentary Committee on One Nation, One Election, chaired by PP Chaudhary, is currently underway. Officials from the Ministry of Law and Justice are briefing the committee on this landmark proposal. The panel includes notable members like Anurag Thakur, Purushottam Rupala and Manish Tiwari. Discussions aim to align elections for the Lok Sabha, state assemblies and other bodies to enhance governance and reduce electoral expenses. These deliberations will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of India's electoral framework. Last month, Parliament passed the motion on forming the panel, which has 39 members to ensure representation of maximum states. The panel is headed by former Law Minister PP Chaudhary. The bills propose simultaneous elections to the Lok Sabha and state assemblies across India. Earlier, JPC Chairperson Chaudhary said that India will reach its goal of Viksit Bharat by 2047 if the development projects being undertaken are expedited. He added that the development work can be undertaken faster when the model code of conduct is implemented less frequently.